Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the RoBuilder YouTube channel. Today I want to do a short little tutorial on how to do this sort of synthwave effect, how to add outlines to your stuff. Now my friend 3sto, his channel will be linked down below. He did make a tutorial on how to do it for parts, which if you guys saw a video a couple days ago, you would know, but I will show that in this video, and how to do it with meshes, because I don't think this way works with meshes. So first thing I'm going to do, just copy... Oh, we don't want the actual wireframe of it. We want the black part of it. All right, so let's just grab this mesh right here, and then let's add in a part as well. We'll go one of these guys, because why not? The cylinders on Studio get, like, no love. So, first things we're going to do is just go on into here. Let's make this part a dark color. We'll go, like, one of those dark blues or purples, like that, I guess. And then insert object right here. And it is a selection box, just like this, guys. Click on your selection box, go down to this right here, adornee, and then click on your part. Now, oh, it doesn't work on the cylinders either. So I guess I could show you how to do that with a mesh. So let me do it with an actual part. Same process, guys. You just bring in a part, making it a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. Make this like a gray, because why not? Add in a selection box right there. Set this guy. Boom, boom. Perfect. And now we can adjust any parameter that we want. If we want this to be, you know, a little more transparent, we could go like this. So now you can see through it. I personally don't overly like that. I think it looks kind of tacky. So we'll just keep that transparency at 0. You can adjust the line thickness, which is pretty nice if you have like a specific thing you're using it for. Like, for example, this line thickness would work great if the part was a lot smaller. But if you have like a massive building, for example, yeah, that's not really gonna look awesome. But if you adjust the line thickness here to, like, I don't know, 5, yeah, it definitely fills in a lot better. So that's how you do it with parts, and that's pretty easy, guys. You can change the color, literally anything you want to do with this. Just move the color around. We'll go like a red. Sure, why not? Cool, guys. Now, some people were wondering why you can't do it with a mesh in his comments, which I was reading, and I got you. Here's what happens if you try it. Insert object, selection box, and then we're going to set our old thing right here. There we go. So this is what happens if you try it with a mesh, and as you can see, it does not follow suit of your mesh. So if you want to make a mesh have this wireframe mode on it, I'll show you guys how to do that right now. We gotta hop on over into Blender. Alright, so recently I made this UGC. Well, it's a fan drawing that I turn into UGCs. It's a series I do anyways. Check it out. So we're gonna throw this back on so we can see what we're selecting. And if we grab this, we're just gonna do Shift D to duplicate it, and then add a modifier right here, and go to wireframe. As you can see, looks good, and then solid. So now we have a wireframe mesh on top of the other mesh. If we grab this, go into edit mode, I'm gonna press A, S, and 0, and make these like... I grabbed the wrong thing, yikes. There we go. And we'll just make this like a neon green so you guys can see what we're working with here. And then we'll unselect everything. So to make wireframe on meshes, that's all you have to do. Duplicate it, add on the wireframe modifier, and there you go. There is a lot of parameters you can adjust as well. For example, we will duplicate this one more time and move it to the side so I can kind of show you guys some stuff in the wireframe modifier. And you can just adjust things until they fit exactly what you want. So you have your offset here. Cool, cool. Right here you have your line thickness. So like, same thing as Roblox. If you wanted like maybe a super thin, ugly line like this, you could do that. If you wanted a real thick line, which I don't know exactly why you would, but I'm sure there's certain cases that it's applicable. And then you can uncheck even, you could do relative. There's just all these settings down here, boundaries, all that good stuff. And I didn't know about this until right now, but if you don't replace original, you kind of have the wireframes just on top of your original mesh, so you don't have to duplicate if you don't want to. I would still recommend duplicating. You have a lot more control. If you want to color in Studio, then it's just a lot easier. For example, making your wireframe neon instead of textured. You can't do that if everything is connected as one mesh. Anyways, that is how you do the wireframe for parts and for meshes, and this is the same thing I used to make that synthwave map. quite a while ago, the speedrun synthwave map. Alright guys, so here's that map. In case you were wondering what I was talking about, if you happen to miss that video, this is how you do this style, guys. Right here, we have the parts, which I could have used selection box for, but I didn't. These are meshes with wireframe on them, because I wanted that more 3D part aesthetic. Anyways, that's how you do it, guys. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Have a great day. Later.